Hi, Myra here. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up the second step of the onboarding, which is joining and installing recommended engagement groups. So with TweetHustler you can engage both in Discord and in Telegram groups. And for your convenience, we've already pre-configured a good amount of free groups both on Telegram and on Discord. You can see here there are little icons. This is the Telegram icon, and here's a group on Discord. And since TweetHustler is impersonating you, this means it can only see what you can see in your browser. So you have to join the groups in order to be able to actually engage in them. So therefore, for every group, you can find two buttons. The first one is to actually join. So this means you become a member of the group. By the way, most of the groups we pre-configured here are completely free, so you can just join and go ahead. And the second button, which is the green one below, this installs the rules for this group in your TweetHustler. For instance, clicking on this now, and then the rules for Bootcamp Lite are installed. One thing is important: when you're new to engagement groups, please make sure to start small with small groups. What I can recommend and what is already pre-installed are our TweetHustler only groups. There you can find our community of TweetHustler users. And I would recommend starting with 5 likes and 10 likes, and then add a new group every 2 or 3 days to ramp things up slowly. And yeah, and that's about it. So when you click on one of these links, you get either to Telegram, sometimes to Gumroad pages, where you can enter most of the time 0 and then join the group. There are also some paid groups which are highly recommended. For instance, the Mind Leader Circle, they have a monitored room, and also, or they are monitored, and they have also a TweetHustler only room, and you get 30% off since you're a TweetHustler user now. And yeah, so you can go through and decide in which groups you'd like to engage in. You can come back to the step anytime. This is just to set things up for you. And also those are only the pre-configured ones. I show you in a video later how to add any custom group you like. So TweetHustler is fully customizable, and there's no limit. You can enter as many groups as you like. Yeah, that's it. In this step, once you're done, you can click on the big orange button that says click here when you're done configuring groups. Adding new groups is always possible. Yeah, doing this now. And this brings us in the third step, which I'm going to cover in the next video.